Hello, and welcome to this self-hypnosis session. This may be the most amazing gift you will ever allow yourself to have now. During this time, I will help you to talk to your subconscious and instruct it on what you want it to do for you. Most people don't realize how much control over their lives their own subconscious has. By the end of this session, that control will be yours. Before we start, please make sure that you are in a very comfortable position and in a place where you won't be disturbed for at least half an hour. This is really important, as you will need to finish this session by being brought out of your trance state in the correct manner. You do not want to be disturbed in the middle of a trance state, which could leave you highly suggestible. If you are constantly surrounded by positivity, then this could be a good thing. Unfortunately, we don't live in that kind of world, so only continue if you know you will be undisturbed. If, however, you do get disturbed, then just redo this session again at a time when you know you will be able to finish it, and you will be fine. If you are lying down, then make sure you prop your head to a higher position than you would normally if you were planning to go to sleep. Otherwise, your body will think that you are in a ready-to-sleep posture, and you might just fall asleep. You need to be comfortable, but not in your normal sleep position. Do that now. Once you are in your ideal position, allow your body to relax, with your arms by your sides and head slightly tilted up so that you can breathe without constraint. As you continue to listen to my voice, and as you lay or sit in your most comfortable position, just allow yourself to take in a slow, deep breath, thinking only of your breath as you breathe in now, slowly, and out again, slowly. Continue to breathe this way as you continue to listen to my voice. Any other sounds or noises that you may hear won't bother you. They will only allow you to go even deeper. Make your breathing become your focus. When you breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Eventually, when you feel you are calm and centered, just allow your breathing to become an unconscious action. By that I mean, breathe normally, without thinking. Breath is life-giving energy, and this energy is spread throughout your body every time you breathe. So while you are following my voice, and while you are becoming even more relaxed, with every breath you take and every word I say, I want you to think about what it is you want to achieve today in this hypnosis session. I want you to create a picture in your mind's eye, or imagine that you can create this picture, of how it feels to know that you have already achieved it. Think about